Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the general knowledge part 2 for the most important question in nursing exam. First question, which city is known as the city of joy? Option A Mumbai, option B Kolkata, option C Chennai, option D Delhi. The answer is option B. Kolkata. Kolkata is known as the city of joy. Next, who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Option A, Saina Nehwal. Option B, P.T. Usha. Option C, Karnam Malleswari. Option D, Mary Kom. The answer is option C, Karnam Malleswari. She won the bronze medal in weightlifting 2000 in Sydney Olympics. Next, which element is essential for the formation of hemoglobin? Option A calcium, option B zinc, option C iron, option D magnesium. The answer is option C, iron. Iron is the most essential for the formation of hemoglobin. Next, who was the first Indian Governor General of Independent India? Option A Dr. Rajendra Prasad, option B Lord Mountbatten, option C Raja Gopalachari, option D Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is option C Raja Gopalachari. Next, which gas is used in fire extinguisher? Option A oxygen, option B carbon dioxide, option C nitrogen, option D hydrogen. The answer is option B carbon dioxide. Next, which is the largest gland in the human body? Option A thyroid, option B pancreas, option C liver, option D adrenaline. The answer is option C liver. Next, who wrote the famous book Gitanjali? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, option B Premchand, option C Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, option D Kazi Nazrul Islam. Gitanjali was written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1913. For this, he got the Nobel Prize. First Indian who got the Nobel Prize, this also is Rabindranath Tagore. Next, what is the currency of Germany? Option A France, option B euro, option C pound, option D dollar. The answer is option B euro. Option B is the correct answer. Next, in which year was the first general election held in independent India? Option A 1947, option B 1950, option C 1951, option D 1955. The answer is option C 1951. Next, who is called the father of Green Revolution in India? Option A M.S. Swaminathan, option B Norman Borlaug, option C Varghese Kurin, option C Subramaniam. The answer is option A M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in India. Next, who was the founder of the Maurya Empire? Option A Ashok, option B Chandragupta Maurya, option C Bimbisara, option D Bindusara. The answer is option B Chandragupta Maurya. Next, which country is known as the land of white elephants? Option A Myanmar. Option B, Thailand. Option C, Sri Lanka. Option D, Cambodia. The answer is option B, Thailand. Thailand is known as the land of white elephants. Next, which part of the Constitution of India deals with the fundamental right? Option A, part 2. Option B, part 3. Option C, part 4. Option D, part 5. The answer is option C, part 4. Option B. The answer is option B, part 3. Part 3 is known as the fundamental rights rules. Next, what is the capital of Norway? Option A, Stockholm. Option B, Oslo. Option C, Copenhagen. Option D, Helsinki. The answer is option B, Oslo. Oslo is known as the capital of Norway. Next, what is the pH value of pure water? Option A, 5. Option B, 6. Option C, 7. Option D, 8. The answer is option C, 7. Next, who was the first Indian to go into the space? Option A, Kalpana Chawla. Option B, Rakesh Sharma. Option C, Sunita Williams. Option D, Vikram Sarabhai. The answer is option B, Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma is the first Indian to go to the space. So answer is option B. Next, what is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Option A, Itanagar. Option B, Imphal. Option C, Aizawl. Option D, Agartala. The answer is option A, Itanagar. Next, what is the national tree of India? Option A, banyan. Option B, neem. Option C, mango. Option D, peepal. The answer is option A, banyan. Banyan is known as the national tree of India. Next, in which year was the Indian Space Research Organization established? Option A, 1959. Option B, 1962. Option C, 1969. Option D, 1972. The answer is option C. The ISRO was established in 1969. Next, which is the smallest continent in the world? Option A, Europe. Option B, Antarctica. Option C, Australia. Option D, South America. The answer is option C, Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Australia. Next, the Constitution of India was adopted on option A, 15 August 1947. Option B, 26th January 1950. Option C, 26th November 1949. Option D, 22nd October 1947. The answer is option C. The Constitution of India was adopted in 26th November in 1949. Next, what is the full form of ATM? The full form of ATM is option A, automated teller machine. Option B, automatic transaction mode. Option C, anytime money. Option D, automated transaction monitor. The answer is option A, automated teller machine. The answer A will be the correct. Next, which sport is known as the king of sport? Option A, tennis. Option B, cricket. Option C, football. Option D, hockey. The answer is option C, football. Football is known as the king of sport. Next, the planet with the most number of rings is option A, Mars. Option B, Earth. Option C, Saturn. Option D, Uranus? The answer is option C, Saturn. Saturn is the most number of the rings. Next, what is the national calendar of India? Option A, Soka calendar. Option B, Bikram Sambat calendar. Option C, Hirji. Option D, Gregorian. The answer is option A. Soka calendar is the national calendar of India. Next, thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.